guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with the new releases. As per usual, I'm sorry if you guys can hear silhouettes in the background. The whole squad is in today working. So let's go ahead and get into this week's releases. I tried to keep the kits as minimal as possible this week as far as add-ons because this is a lot of wiggle packs to release this week. I was like, Emily, should I split this into two? And she's like, no, do it. So you guys can thank Emily for the amount of wiggle packs that we're going to be releasing this week. There's actually a bunch that you guys haven't seen yet. So really excited about those. So let's get into those first. So I'm actually going to be doing 4 at $10 this week. So all of these will be available at $10 each for the first 48 hours. So Wednesday at noon Eastern to Friday at noon Eastern. So definitely get your hands on them because especially, well actually all of them are very neutral and I feel like you can use them in a lot of different spreads. So it ends up being a phenomenal deal. So let's go ahead and go through these real quick. So this one here is our matte white with the hollows. We've been doing kind of like the matte white line for the $10 for the past couple of weeks. So this is the hollow one. Then we do have the twinkle foils. Let me show you in the silver. So this is the twinkle foils, and these, all 3 of these are the same format. So you guys know this format. We've been doing that for a couple weeks. So this format here, we've done a bunch in this format, but we haven't done silver. So this is the twinkle format. So you have the bottom washi page, you have the icons, the deco, weekend banner, etc. You have the full boxes. You have the header overlays. You have the icons and the circle icons and the numbers, and then you have the corners, photo corners. So that is the format of these 3 that I'm going to be showing you. So we do have silver, actually like our top 3 foils, silver, gold, hollow. Actually, it probably goes gold, silver, hollow as far as like our top foils. So those will be available. All of these will be $10 each for the first 48 hours and then they go back to their normal pricing. So that is fun. We normally only do 1, so I'm doing 4 this week. And then we do have 5 more to show you. So this one is a glossy version of our wiggle. So it's the same format as this one, but it is glossy, and this is the copper foil, so it'll match your copper mega wiggle. These are all regular price ones. There is a matte marble with our regular gold. There is a matte marble with the hollow, a matte marble with silver. And then last but not least, we do have the extras from November Mystery, and these are the hollow and sparkly hollow mixed metal pack. So this has the bottom washi, you have the full box overlays, you have the bow headers, which are really pretty, you have the twinkle headers, you have the flag overlays, and then you have the icons. This is a great addition to your sparkly hollow and regular hollow collection because you can pull in either of those foils and really jazz it up to make a really cool mixed metal spread. So we have a very limited amount of these. I don't even remember how many, but I know it was not a lot. Let me double check. I'm telling you guys the right thing. Product stock. Yes, there's not a lot of those at all actually. So definitely get your hands on that if you are looking to pick extra of that up. So let's go ahead into the kits this week. So we do have 3 exclusive collections, and then this collection here does have an exclusive scene. So this like scene here with the fire pit is exclusive art, and then the rest of it is just from TWG if you guys didn't know. So let me go ahead and zoom you in. It does come in an ultimate and a mini kit. So this is the mini kit. I'll show you guys that one. I'm talking a little fast because we have Christmas pictures today and I'm on a time budget. So this has the Munchkin Head freebie. Oh, actually one of these is not in the new format. I thought we were done with those, but I guess not. There might be actually a couple more, but not many. So this is the full box page. I love this. I think it's really pretty for either a fall camping trip or an early spring camping trip, but also could be summery because of the colors. I think they're really pretty. So you have your full boxes here. Super cute. You have your deco. Faux gold sparkle throughout your extra full box. I love these colors. Like I said, I feel like it's kind of like an anytime, kind of like camping, just outdoorsy anytime kit. And I love this bottom washi. So you do have the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. You have the option if you want to add on the label sampler. And last but not least, you do have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers, which do have the faux gold sparkle throughout. So that again is called Adventure. I don't know if I actually said that, but it's a really cute kit and I love the rich, vibrant colors. Yeah, so let's go ahead into the mini kit, and then all the formats are virtually the same. So you have the same freebie, the full box, the deco page, the functional page. This is the mini kit page. And then you have the, oops, had a smudge there. And then you have the washi page. So that is the mini kit for adventure. Like I always say every week, we do have unlimited stock for the first 48 hours. So if you are a mini kit user, that is usually the time to buy. Let me go ahead and show you guys the older format one. It's just the logo and everything's different. So this is fairest of them all. This is the mini kit. So this is our like kind of like Snow White inspired collection. I love all of the like Gucci in it. I think it's so cute, the little Gucci belt and like all the red. And then you kind of like a Snow White themed girl and then a Evil Queen themed girl. So let me go ahead and open this up. Love this collection. I think it's super cute. I love the colors and the way they turned out. So you have the faux gold sparkle throughout. You have the older Andrea Munchkin freebie. So here are your full boxes. You have your ombre art checklist. These colors are so pretty. Something I feel like we haven't done. We might have done like a fall kit, I think 2 years ago. Something similar colors, but not exactly. You have the extra full box here, which is really cute with the apple and like the done up nails. The little things, the headers. The deco page, which is super cute. I love these Gucci slides. And then you have your bottom washi. You do have the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip, which will look really pretty. I love the red. You have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers with the faux gold sparkle throughout. And then you do have the option if you want to add on the label sampler. So that, like I said, is fairest of them all. We still have a few more princessy type themed kits to show you guys. But this one is super, super cute. And then last but not least, and this is exclusive art, by the way, so you won't find this art anywhere else. And last but not least, our other exclusive kit, which turned out so much better than I thought it would. Not that I thought it would turn out bad, but I think this is fire and I need to use it. And this is called Cruella. And like, come on, there is a new Cruella movie coming out that does come in a mini kit next year. So obviously needed to go into the villains. So let's go ahead and show you guys this. This is like a fabulous kit. This is probably one of my favorite like inspired kits that we've done, just because like, I don't know if it's like the monochromaticness of it or just kind of like how like boss girl, like her poses, the Dalmatian print. I'm a big fan, but like, come on. I think this one's gonna be like the fan favorite this week because like, it's just like perfection, totally anytime kit, but you could use it for the movie, but you could just use it because it's amazing, which is probably what I'm gonna do. And what I did for this one is I did a faux red sparkle throughout, which I think turned out really cool. And if you mix some red, what's it called? Or even silver would be pretty with this. Red foil through it would be so pretty. And you have the little scene there as your extra box, little things, headers. I did all Dalmatian print because come on. You have your deco. I love this card. I think it's so cute. It's that SPC on the license plate. Like, look at this like red sparkle. That's the red sparkle throughout. Love it. And then the Dalmatian print is the bottom washi, obviously. And then you do have the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip, which is that deep red color. You do have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers. And then last but not least, you do have the option if you want to add on the label samplers, Munchkin Head freebie. But like, seriously guys, this is like such a fabulous, like I feel like fabulous is a good word for it, a fabulous collection. I'm dying. I just think this girl is so good and like all of the elements are just perfection. This closet, I've been trying to do with my custom art, trying to do more scenes, so it kind of like just, I don't know, just adds more whenever I add more scenes. So really love that. So you do have Cruella this week, like I said, which is exclusive art you won't find anywhere else. Then you have Fairest of Them All, which again is exclusive art you won't find anywhere else. And then last but not least, as far as kits go, you do have Adventure, which has that custom scene in there, which I think really just ties it all together. I love like the dark colors in that one, and all of these come in ultimate and mini kits, like I said before. For stickers, we do unlimited stock for the first 48 hours, so from Wednesday at noon Eastern to Friday at noon Eastern. And then we have all of these wiggle packs coming, these four being $10 for the first 48 hours and these being regular priced wiggles. So that is everything for this week. It's a very foily week and some awesome collections being released. So I hope that you guys like it. And then the next week is, I think, Black Friday. So really excited about that as well. We have some cool events happening with some stuff that you guys want to get your hands on. But I hope you guys like this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.